Welcome to Postmate Client. In this video, I'll show you how to import API requests from a cURL command. Postmate provides two easy ways to import a cURL request, and I'll walk you through both of them step by step. Let's start with the first method. Click on the New Request drop-down. From the list, select From cURL. Once you select this option, a pop-up will open with the heading Import from cURL. Here, paste your cURL command into the input field. After pasting the command, click on the Create button. That's it. Your request has now been successfully imported into Postmate. If you want to save this request, press Ctrl S. Select the collection name where you want to save the request. Write your request name. Press Enter, and your request will be saved in the selected collection.
Now let's look at the second method, which allows you to import a cURL request directly into a collection. Go to the collection where you want to add the request. Click on the three-dot menu next to the collection name. Select Import cURL from the menu. Again, a pop-up will open with the heading Import from cURL. Since you're importing directly into a collection, you don't need to select the collection. Simply enter the request name. Paste your cURL command, click on the Create button. And that's it. Your request is now saved directly inside the selected collection. Thank you for watching.